Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a PS5 game using your phone. So if you're at work or something, maybe you're in the bathroom and you want to start up a game, well, you can do this. So let's go on over to my phone right now, and we want to get the PlayStation app. So you can just go to the Google Play Store. You can see it on my home screen right here, PlayStation app. Let's go to the Play Store and then scroll on down and type in PlayStation app. Looks like this, opens up, sign in with your email address and password associated to your account. Then at the bottom, let's go on over to the game library. Then at the top, let's choose games. Now, if you don't know this, you can view your captures, your video clips and stuff under this section right here. But if you go to games now, choose the game you want to start up. So let's go to the Elder Scrolls Online, for example. And then it's going to give you the option now to play using remote play if you want to play on your phone from the bathroom or something like that. Or you can just start on the PlayStation 5 if you click Play Console. And then it's going to start the game. It says it on the screen. And then we can switch on over to my PlayStation and it should be started. So you can see it's starting up just like that. So if you are in a different room or something like that, this is an easy way to get everything going and started. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.